As an accessory for the body shields, we have model BS-HK. This includes a handle with all of the fasteners and a strap assembly with fasteners. This can be mounted on either side of the body shield for left-handed or right-handed operation. As an additional accessory for the capture shields, we have model CS-HK. This kit includes 2 handles, all the fasteners necessary to mount new handles inside your capture shield. We also have an instruction sheet with a drawing that shows how all of these products assemble to the capture shield. As an accessory for the body shields, we also sell the body shield labels. These body shield labels are called a second surface label. They must be mounted to the interior surface of the body shield, and this makes it so that they don't get easily scratched from the front side during the Riot operations. As an accessory for the body shields and capture shields, we make carrying bags. These carrying bags are great for the storage of the product or bringing them to the point of deployment. This is model BS2036-COV. I'm going to demonstrate how this is easily able to accept a body shield and how convenient it is for storage. Open the top, which is a Velcro fastening. Slide the body shield in. Close the Velcro top, grab it by the handle, ready to go. As an accessory for model BS6 and model BS7, which are our round body shields, we also have a special carrying bag for them. This carrying bag is model BS24R-COV. As you can see, this will easily slip in. Protecting the body shield, easy to carry, and also convenient for putting in the trunk of your car. As an accessory to the larger size body shields and capture shields, we make model BS2448-COV carrying bag. Has a carrying strap handle, the Velcro top. It is made out of a nylon material for durability. And this is very good for both storing in the armory and also for carrying the products to the deployment area.